All right, y'all, we got another super clean classic for you. As you see, 1988 Cadillac Brougham. This thing is super dope. We're just gonna get right into it. You can already see that it's a, what is it, fire mist red or something like that, but kind of look like a maroonish purple to me. So we just gonna roll with that. This thing looks super clean. It's got fresh paint, like painted within the last month. So we'll get a paint about a 9.5. Obviously you'll have some little pops here and there, but super clean, no scratches, dents or anything. Sitting on a set of 22-inch all gold. Definitely goes right with the color, and then because this Caddy does have the gold package on it as well. So super clean. We're gonna go ahead and keep moving down though. Like I said, no reason to spend time on the paint and body because it's been painted. It looks beautiful. Top is in excellent condition. Looks like it's been conditioned. It's still relatively soft, no splits at the seams and not popping along the A-pillars, so looks pretty solid. One thing I did notice when they did the stripe, somehow they missed this little spot here. Relatively easy to lay new stripes, but you know, just up to you if you care about it or not. Ain't nothing but a sticker, just to be honest. Looking down the rear quarter, again, looks pretty solid. I don't see any waves or dents or anything. Rear glass has no cracks. Third brake light is intact. And again, like I always show you guys, when you look at the light, you can see it's almost a perfect circle. You can see that reflection and that clarity in the light source. So nothing's deforming it, no circles, nothing like that. Rear bumper looks good. No rust, no dents, no cracks. Let me close that. Coming down the driver's side, again, nothing to point out there as far as dents. Top looks good on this side as well. We're just gonna keep on rolling. Front windshield does have a crack that we are replacing. We just been waiting on the glass for like a week. So this glass will be replaced before the car ships out. Something crazy happens where you can't, you know, you don't want to wait for that or something. We'll just take $300 off the car because that's how much the glass was. So front of the car, I'm sorry. Hood looks good, looks properly aligned. No dents or anything, no hail damage. And then as we look at the front, bumper looks good. No rust, no dents. Looks pretty solid. Let me grab the keys and pop the hood. Relatively clean underneath. Stock 5.0. AC blows cold. Pretty stock underneath. Yeah. And of course, when I don't slam them, they don't shut all the way. Got the iconic gold keys. New emblems. Actually, this key is not turning. Let me see if the button's gonna open it. Car gotta be on. And it did. Alright. Trunk, standard Cadillac affair, super clean. Got the little trunk mat. Doesn't look crazy back here. You got the aftermarket hubcaps. Can't pull the carpet back, so you guys will just have to wait and see underneath. But relatively clean underneath. And let's check our soft close. And it does work. So soft close still works. Getting inside. Passenger door panel looks beautiful. Nice maroon color, matches the outside. Seats look good. No rips, no tears. Carpet looks solid. And no sagging in the headliner. Front passenger. Again, these panels look great. No issues there. Carpets look good. Mats look good. A little bit of wear on the front seats to be expected with 90,000 miles. No rips or anything like that though. And dash looks beautiful. No warping or cracks. Rear passenger side. Again, no issues here. Beautiful seats. And door panel looks good. Let's go ahead and get up. My fault. Driver's seat. Same. You got a little bit of wear, but no rips or tears. Typical seat. Now let's get in. Get the seatbelt on. Put you guys down for 1 second. There we go. Seatbelt was in between the seat. Let's go ahead and fire her up. That's a cold start, fired right up. Mileage reads 90,777. Lights are on, I can see them up there and in the dash. Wipers good. Right now the AC is on. I can hear that compressor. No, actually it's not on because we got a toggle switch. There we go. Now it's on. You guys can probably hear it. It's blowing ice cold. So we got this toggle switch here. I'm gonna turn that off. So it's like the compressor is running now when you turn that on, but the blower motor doesn't kick on until you hit that. So sometimes people wire them like that when you got too many wiring issues inside. So reads half a tank of gas. Let's check this radio. Radio works. Horn works. Front windows. Rear windows. Let's see. Seats. Power seat is working. All 6 of them. I think that's it, right? Oh, map lights. Map lights good. All right. I really like this color combination. I think I'm not a super big fan of the gold wires. I think they look amazing on black cars for sure. And that's basically about it. I mean, I know there's hit or miss ones that look good. Sometimes the chrome and gold look good with the all white. I get it. But in this case though, I think this maroon with it's really a tan stripe. And then the gold package, it looks beautiful. Speedometer is coming up. Alignment, let me see. It might not be off. Let me see. All right, let's see. Hands off the wheel, she's stopping, and wheel is not pulling. Hands off, she's still tracking straight. Just seems like I had a little bit of movement to the left, but I'm gonna double check that here. No. That's about just the normal dead spot, I believe. So, yeah. But like I said, she's tracking straight still, even with the 22s on. We've done this plenty of times, so it doesn't mess with the suspension at all. We're not bouncing up and down. It's not super raggedy or anything like that. I'm actually gonna turn around here. This is a decent sized dip if you saw how the car jumped down, and there's still no rubbing there. So I like to kind of show that a little bit. No belt squeal or anything like that. Car is shifting perfectly fine. I don't hear any weird noises. Exhaust sounds clean. Yeah, so overall definitely a solid car. Beautiful car, shall I say that. So I'm gonna get her on the rack and we'll check out her. All right, got the Brougham up on the rack. Again, bumper looks solid. I don't have any dents or anything like that. Underneath, she's got a new gas tank. Frame, trunk pans, all look solid. I don't have nothing to really point out here. Stock suspension in the rear. 10 bolt and drums. Doesn't look like any work's been done to the suspension. Some point in time the muffler's been swapped out. Going down the passenger side, frame looks good. Factory cat still there. And floors look immaculate. No soft spots, nothing to worry about there. Same thing as we come down the driver's side. Frame looks great and floors look great. Just came off the test drive. Bone dry underneath, oil pan and trans pan. Disc brakes up in the front. And again, everything looks completely stock on this vehicle. I don't see anything that's been changed out. Front bumper, no cracks, no dents. Then as we go ahead and come around here, Again, new paint, so all your body panels gonna look good. Wheels are brand new at all 4 corners, so don't have to talk about that again. Chrome cladding looks good underneath. I don't have any rust or dents. And then you can see again that body looks nice and straight. And then coming to the rear quarter, same thing. Down the driver's side, cladding looks great. And then as we keep moving, I got a couple little dings here and there. I got one here and one here. And normally, again, that's just some things kicking up. Nothing you can really do to stop that. Overall, definitely a solid car. If you guys are interested in this 88 Brougham, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.